In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to download Battlefield 6 on your laptop or PC. First of all, you need to make sure that you have got Steam on your device. If you don't have Steam, first of all, go to the Google and write this simple keyword download Steam and open the first result. Then click the install button and install the Steam into your device. After you will install and register an account, then you can open it. And when you open the Steam, you need to find store in the top menu, and in the search box you need to write Battlefield 6 and you'll find the game. So this is the official game, this is the DLC. So let's open the game, and to buy the game you need to scroll down and you need to click add to cart across buy Battlefield 6. You can also buy a Phantom Edition, guys, but to buy the basic version of the game you need to buy this one. Just click add to cart, then click view my cart. After that you need to click continue to payment. You need to choose the payment method. You can use your debit card or credit card. You can use PayPal and other options, guys. They will be different for different countries. So when you choose the payment option, then click continue and finalize the payment. After that, you can go to the library, and on the left side, you will see the list of your games, and here will be the Battlefield 6. You need to download it and install it into your device. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for us.